How to contact Badoo by phone. Hello everyone, welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we will discuss how you can contact Badoo by your phone. So let's start. First of all, the easiest and the direct method to contact Badoo is by going through the customer support. For that, go to any browser of your choice. Then after, tap on the search bar and then type Badoo feedback. You'll get the feedback link from the official website of Badoo. Tap on it. Then you will get various options to contact Badoo depending upon the issue. Select the option depending on the issue that you have in your Badoo account. After that, you can enter your details and then submit the message that you want to relay to Badoo. Another method by which you can contact Badoo by phone is by using their phone number or mobile number. For that, go to the search bar once again and then type contact Badoo phone. When you search for that and scroll below in the results, you will find the phone number of Badoo in the search results. You can try contacting the displayed phone number. However, it's not guaranteed if the phone number is actually of Badoo's or not. You might have to take the risk anyway. So by using these methods, you can contact Badoo by phone. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.